Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1985 Chevrolet C10 short box pickup, blue on silver on blue interior. So I'll start over at the rear of the vehicle, let you have a look at the trunk bed. So this one has the bed liner, drop-in bed liner, so that looks nice. And I'll just go ahead and close the lid here. I'll have a look here from the back. So there it is from the back. Love the blue and the silver, the nice chrome and the silver along the bottom there. I'm just going to have a look underneath so you can see. It's got a nice exhaust on it. It's got a new diff from a newer Yukon, which is flipped upside down for the lowering. The lowering's done correctly. I'll just move in here so you can see. It's got new shocks in it. So very clean underneath. Looks good. And we'll just shift around this side here. Let you have a look at the side. Paint is just glimmering, looks great. There's your rear wheel. We've got drums on the rear. We've got the nice Ridler wheels. So it looks good. And we'll move on to the passenger side. So here's the door skin on the passenger side. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. I see a little bit of play in the carpet piece there on the bottom, but overall it's in good shape. And here's the passenger side. So we've got the blue carpet, the blue seat. I'll show you the dash so you can see the condition of that. That looks good. And I'll show you the seat here from the passenger side. Looks good. And here's the headliner. Headliner's in pretty good shape. And we've got the blue light there. So I'm just gonna hop in as I get in, just have a look in the door seam. And I'll show you here in the glove box. So there's what looks like an original option code there for the truck. And we've got the wheel lock key here as well. I think that's some kind of spare part. And we've got the Silverado logo here on the dash. I'll just move along the dash so you can see. And yeah, the headliner, that looks good actually. It's in really good shape. It's not coming down or anything. I see one little mark right there. So yeah, looks good. So we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the truck and we'll move along this side of the truck so you can see the condition. And here we are at the front. So at the front, you've got the, again, the nice Ridler wheels. We've got blue calipers. Looks great. And there's your Silverado badging at the front. And nice trim work along the side. Looks good. So we'll shift around the front. We've got the double halogen lights on the front. Silver bow tie. And then under the hood, we've got the an upgraded Vortec motor. So it's a 5.3 liter LS motor, truck motor. So looks good. That's paired to a 4L60 automatic transmission. So it shifts nice. We've got a cold air intake there, an interstate battery. That's the remnants of the old AC. So it doesn't have AC. It's just got the old box that's there. And then we've got some of the upgraded pieces here. So there's a control box here, electric and cable drive. So I think that's to switch for the speedometer from analog to digital. Then we got PSIconversion.com for the ECU upgrade. So it looks nice. We got a hood blanket there. Overall good shape. Just there's one tear coming down the center here. Other than that, it is looks fine. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood here. And here it is from the front. So it's got the nice scoops there on the hood, nice chrome bumpers. Down on the bottom, there is a plastic piece here. There's a little break there. Looks like it's bumped a curb. No big deal. It's just a plastic piece. Have a look underneath. So it's got the proper Belltech suspension. Looks good. Nice and clean. And I'll just have a close look while I'm here, see if there's anything to point out. Looks pretty good. Nothing that I see. Oh, there's one little, no, that's nothing. So it looks good. And we'll just continue on. So I'll show you the other front wheel. So there it is. Again, nice Ridler wheels, blue calipers, looks good. And same thing here on the back. Fantastic. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So here's the driver's side door scan. So again, same thing down here. The carpet's just a little bit looser. As you can see, it's bunching up a little bit there. Otherwise, looks okay. And the door seals even look good. As you can see, they're in good shape. It's got some paneling down on the bottom. It's got this rubber mat here on the floor. And I'll just show you the seat here so you can see the condition. Looks good. And there's the headliner from this side. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So it's not carbureted, it's fuel injection, so it just fires right up. There it is. All right, so we'll close that up. It's got a nice MagnaFlow exhaust there, sounds good. It shows 28,780 on the clock. It is true kilometers unknown, obviously, as with the new motor and the build, and being a 5-digit odometer. So just show you the dash so you can see what's there. We've got lights, so those come on. The dash lights are working, so that's nice. We've got our heat controls here, and we've got a radio. The radio does come on. I mean, it's an old radio, so it's not you know, it's not like the new stuff, but it's a radio, so if you want to upgrade it, you can, or if you want to keep it original, there it is. Looks like the antenna there is in the windshield. I see the lines there in the windshield, so that's neat. That's a good touch. And yeah, we'll just hop out now with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Oh, and there is an OBD port there, since it's a newer motor with the computer swap there as well. So I'll just rev it up a little bit here so you can hear. Sounding truck, love it. So I'll just show you here from the outside with it running. Here it is from the front. There it is with the lights on. And I'll just move along this side of the truck so you can see the condition. And it's got the pipes out the side there. Nice rumble to it. There you have it, folks. 1985 Chevrolet C10 short box, blue and silver, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.